you? Good morning, first class children. Welcome to the class. Okay, are you all ready, first class children? I hope everyone is eagerly waiting for the new lesson, isn't it? Okay, first three lessons, had you understand? Is it clear for you all? I hope everyone is they are doing the practice at home more and more, isn't it, children? Okay, are you speaking very honestly? Okay, so why I was asking you, see, first three lessons should be very clear for you all. It has to be very clear, okay? Otherwise, what happens if I goes on taking my next lesson, then if you won't understand, I feel very bad for that, okay? So what I mean to say, I want my children, first class children, that each and every lesson should be very clear to you all, okay? Isn't it? Now, if I want to start new lesson, so before I would like to say for you all, before I start the new lesson, so what are the lessons we had learned? All about the plants, isn't it? We learned about the plants are useful, world of plants, isn't it? So how, in which way the plants are useful, that we had learned, okay. That previous lesson what we had learned, do you understand? Had you got it lesson? You have done any practice at home? So all the spellings you have done, and I had given some activity, isn't it, for you all? So drawing and some pasting work, isn't it? Pasting means pulses, isn't it? Please children, do it, okay? So it's like it is up to you, but if you do that activity, you will understand why I gave this type of activity for you all, to understand the serials and pulses, okay? And then another one, I had given some worksheets also for you to write, isn't it? Please complete your homeworks, whatever I had given to you, try to complete it by this weekend, okay? So let me start the new lessons. What is a new lesson? Do you have any idea? No. Should we start again, once again, about any other plants, about the plant, any plant lesson, children? No teacher, it gets boring for us. We'll go with some new lesson about animals, isn't it? So animals means we learned only domestic animals, that previous lesson, isn't it? We learned only domestic animals. And now let me start about the which lesson? Animals. That animals, now look at here, this children, the name of this, world of animals, okay? World of animal. Yes, whether in our Telangana state only we have animals? No, complete world we can see the n number of animals, okay? Again I am going to use the Telugu language. So ఇప్పుడు ఎలా అంటే తెలంగాణ మన స్టేట్లో మన ఊర్లో మాత్రమే అనిమల్స్ ఉందన్న, అనిమల్స్ ఉందా? లేదు కదా. మనకు లోకం మొత్తం ఏముంది? వైల్డ్ అనిమల్స్ ఉంది, డొమెస్టిక్ అనిమల్స్ ఉంది, పెట్ అనిమల్స్ కూడా పెట్టుకుంటున్నాం, అవునా కదా? బట్ నౌ వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద వరల్డ్ ఆఫ్ అనిమల్స్, ఓకే? ఇన్ అవర్ వరల్డ్, like which type of animals are there? Big animals are there, small animals are there, very small animals also there, water animals are there, land animals are also there. See how many different kinds, no? Teacher was keeping on saying these different kinds. It is very interesting, isn't it, children? చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉంది కదా. ఎన్ని రకాలు ఉంది కదా మనకి. పెద్ద అనిమల్ ఉంది, బిగ్ అనిమల్స్ చెప్తున్నాము, స్మాల్ అనిమల్స్ ఉంది, వెరీ స్మాల్ చెప్తున్నారు కదా టీచర్. అయితే ఇది వినడం కూడా చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉంది మాకు అందరికీ. అంటే బిగ్ అనిమల్స్ అంటే ఏవి వస్తుంది అవన్నీ నేను మీకు చెప్తాను. వెరీ స్మాల్ అంటే అనిమల్స్ ఎవరు, స్మాల్ అనిమల్స్ ఎవరు, ఓకే? ఇవన్నీ వదిలేసండి. బిగ్ అనిమల్స్, స్మాల్ అనిమల్స్, వెరీ స్మాల్. దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద ల్యాండ్ అనిమల్స్? ఎస్, ల్యాండ్ అనిమల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, water animals are also there, okay? So I think this lesson is very quite interesting to you all. You are going to enjoy with this lesson, okay? Should I start now? Okay, now tell me what animals will do. Yes, animals can breathe, isn't it, children? Animals ఏంటి? శ్వాసం తీసుకోవడం వస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే they are living things, అవునా కదా? Okay, then they can eat, వాళ్ళకి తినడం కూడా వస్తుంది. దే కెన్ మూవ్ హియర్ అండ్ దేర్, నడవడానికి కానీ అటు ఇటు వెళ్ళడము, ఒక ఊరు వదిలి వేరే ఊరికి వెళ్ళిపోవడము, అనిమల్స్ కానీ బర్డ్స్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ ఉంది, మనం చూస్తున్నాం కదా. నౌ వి విల్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ఓన్లీ ద అనిమల్స్, నాట్ ఎ బర్డ్స్, ఓకే? నౌ అనిమల్స్ ఆల్సో దే వోంట్ లివ్ ఇన్ వన్ ప్లేస్, దే కీప్ ఆన్ మూవింగ్ టు సమ్ అదర్ ప్లేస్, ఓకే? యూ సెట్ బ్రీత్, అనిమల్స్ కెన్ బ్రీత్. దెన్ యూ సెట్ దే కెన్ ఈట్, దే కెన్ మూవ్. దెన్ వాట్ ఎల్స్ దే కెన్ డూ? ఎస్, they can give birth to babies, okay? Some animals, they can give birth to babies. But not all animals, only some animals. And some animals, like you take some animals, like under it comes birds. Okay, what do? They lay eggs. Okay, after eggs you can see the baby chicks, isn't it? So some animal, even hen is there, duck is there, all peahen is there. Some like the wild animals. In wild animals we have n number of birds and n number of animals. All animals they gives birth, but not some animals they'll give as like a eggs, and some animals they'll give babies. Okay, they'll give the birth to babies. Okay children, now let me start. Okay, so you have understand that what animals can do. They can breathe, they can move, they can eat, and they can, yes, they have their own shelter. You are not making any shelter for them. Wild animals always they have their ఓన్ షెల్టర్. వాళ్ళే చేసుకుంటారు, వాళ్ళే ఇల్లు కట్టుకోవాలి. మనం ఏదో మన పెట్ అనిమల్స్ అంటే మనం జాగ్రత్తగా కెన్నెల్లో పెట్టుకుంటాము, అవునా కదా, హెన్ ఉంటే కూప్లో పెట్టుకుంటాం. బట్ దిస్ అనిమల్స్, వైల్డ్ అనిమల్స్, నో, we can't keep it in the at home. Okay, but they make their own shelters, isn't it? They find their own shelters. అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు అందరికి? So let me talk about the big animals. So which animals? Now let me talk about the big animals. Which animals are the big animals? Which animals are they? Yes, big animals are elephant. Yes, very good children. You said elephant. One more. Yeah, even giraffe. Giraffe is a big animal. It is the tallest animal. You have seen it there. Giraffe neck చాలా పెద్దగా పొడుగా ఉంటుంది కదా జిరాఫ్ కి. Next one more. Camel. You can go for example is camel. Okay. The next one is elephant, giraffe, camel, and lion. Okay, lion is the king of the forest, isn't it? So lion is also a big animals. So all those animals they come under what? Big animals. Which animals are the big animals? Elephant, giraffe, camel, lion, isn't it? Now teacher, then what about small animals, teacher? Small animals also there, children. Small animals are like, what is that example? You tell me now. Can you guess? Yes, goat, deer, okay, then rabbit. Okay, go for rabbit, and cat, dog. All those animals are small animals, isn't it? So goat, sheep, all those animals will come under small animals. Is it clear? Now teacher, which animals are very small, teacher? You may ask me. Yes, there are small, very small animals. Very small animals are, you can guess. Can you say very small animals? I had shown you big animals and small animals. Then you tell me about the very small animals. Can you guess me? Can you guess? Yes, teacher. Ant. You can take the ant. Ant is a small. Then frog. Frog is also a small animal. Then you go for cockroach. Cockroach is very small animal, isn't it? Cockroach. Spider. Okay, spider. Then you go for the squirrel. Okay, squirrel. Not rabbit. You can go for squirrel. Then mouse. Okay, is it clear, children? Now see, listen here. Very small animals are squirrel, mouse, ant, frog, cockroach, and spider. So they are very small animals. Okay, చాలా చిన్న animals అంటే ఏది? Cockroach చూసారా? Yes, మన ఇంట్లో చూడొచ్చు. It comes under insect also, but it is an animal. Okay, squirrel, mouse కానీ, ant, frog, cockroach, spider, they are all very small animals. Big animals అంటే ఏంటి? పొడుగ్గా పెద్ద పెద్ద animals ఏవి? ఎలిఫెంట్. చూసారు ఎలిఫెంట్ ఎంత పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది కదా. So a big animal is elephant. Giraffe neck is very long neck. Then camel. So do you went for the camel ride? Okay, have you seen the camel? Do you went with the camel ride? So like you have seen, no, on the streets sometimes camel they used to go beside our houses, isn't it? You have seen it? Okay, now lion. Lion is what? Lion is a domestic animal. No, it is a wild animal, but it is a big animal. It comes under the big animal. Okay, now what about small animals? Goat, sheep, cow, isn't it? Like deer, rabbit, all they comes under small animals. Okay, teacher, we understand about big animals, small animals, very small animals. Then now we will go with the land animals. Okay, so what are the land animals? So we are all big animals, we are all small animals, and we are all very small animals. Now we are going which animal now? Land animal. They won't live in water. These animals are not live in water. Which animal they are land animals? Tell me now. Horse, sheep, okay. Even cow is also a land animal. Okay. Sheep, cow, all buffaloes, all you can take. Bear, isn't it? So all they comes under what? Land animals. These animals are comes under land animals. Okay. So we are not talking about any domestic or pet animals, but we are seeing the various types of animals. Like in which way they are. Like big animals are there. I had shown you small animals, very small animals, and land animals. Now let me start about the water animals. Water animals are what? Octopus and fish. Okay, turtle. Which animals are water animals? Yes. Which animals are water animals? నీళ్ళు ఏ అనిమల్ ఉంటుంది ఎప్పటికీ అందరూ చెప్తున్నారు. What is that? Fish అన్నారు. కరెక్టా? Okay. What is the next one? Turtle. Then another one is octopus. Okay. But you know that about fish and turtle, isn't it? So that is what they are all water animals, isn't it? Now before I complete this class, no, I want to say that now what are the various types we had seen now today? What are the four differences we have seen? Land animal, water animal, big animal, very small animal, small animals. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 differences we have seen, isn't it? What are the 5 differences? Big animal, small animal, yes, very small animal, land animal, water animals. Is it clear, children? So please keep on doing this practice. Tomorrow teacher will show you that. Okay, what about shelters? Tomorrow I will show you about the shelters. Today you should have to practice this animals name. Big animals means which animals are called big animals, which animals are called small animals, and which animals they come under very small animals. What are difference between land animals and water animals? So you please keep on doing this practice. Tomorrow teacher will explain you about the shelter of animals. Okay, and which animals they will stay in which shelter. Understand? Is it clear, children? First class children? Okay, I hope this class is very clear for you all. So tomorrow teacher will continue the class, continue the lesson, the same lesson, world of animals. Okay, so take care, children. Tomorrow we'll be ready with the new class. Thank you.